Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Now today is a simple video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Minehut server or a Minecraft server with Minehut. Now you can make Minecraft servers with so many other like server hosters or like Apex hosting or any of them, but I'm going to be picking Minehut for this tutorial because it is a very easy to navigate website and very easy to get started, like user interface. So you're going to want to start up by making an account, which you simply put in your email, password, date of birth, and you press I have read, sign up, and then it'll send you a confirmation email. You click that and then it signs you in. So when you have signed in, as you see I'm in my account, you go to dashboard and you go to servers and it'll say create new server. And with the free, with your free plan, you get a total of 2 servers, but you can pay to make more servers. So if you press create new server, it'll ask you to give it a server name. Now this will be your IP address for your server. So say we pick like mine u2, something like that, something just easy. We'll just say something that surely nobody has made. Session expired. Why? Please log in. Okay, I'll log in. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know why it wasn't working there. Okay, so we go to servers. As you say, you create new server, and we'll just say tabler tabo 12 or tabler tabo yt. Okay, y. Okay, create. Surely nobody has used this server name. You can use like the same name as somebody else because it will be your server. So now I've created a server. So tabler tabo y.minehut.gg. So you press activate, and this YouTube video will come up saying like showing you how to start off from the Minehut gang. Now you don't have to like watch this video or do anything. This is just a video just to get you started on how to like make your server and stuff, but I'm going to show you that. Guys. So when this 30-second timer runs out, you can click continue, and yeah. So come on. And there we go, continue, perfect. So our server should be active. I activated it. It should be awake right now. There we go, now it's online. It's online now, so I kind of just watched this for no reason, so we're going to go into servers. So now you go over to your Minecraft and you type in your IP address. So it was tabler tabo y.minehut.gg. Oh, I'm dumb. Tabler tabo y.minehut. If I can type .gg. Boom. And then it lets you in. So now you have your very own Minecraft server that you can do anything you want on. So now when you get in, you realize you can talk in game, you can invite people to your game, other people can join. With the free plan, up to 10 people can join your game. If you pay like, I think it's like €5 a month, you can get up to 20 people to join, so it's a big upgrade. You can add plugins like, you know, Essentials, Permission X, Build, World Edit, all those. You can add Minecraft Manhunt, you can add everything. And say like you get into your server and you realize, oh wait, I can't do like /game mode or anything, but I'm the owner of the server. This is where you need to go into your console and you need to add, and you need to make your Minecraft account operator of the server. So you type op tabler tabo, because that's my Minecraft username. So then it should come up saying made tabler tabo a server operator. Now I have every command ever known to man. So I can do creative, you know, I can do /give, tabler tabo, you know, in enchanted golden apples, 5 million of them. Yeah. And that's basically how you make a server for pretty easy, pretty quick. You know, it's free. You don't have to do anything. You can invite all your friends to it. You know, you can add add-ons, you know, plugins, whatever plugins you want. You can add everything. And yeah, it's pretty decent. I really like it. I really love Minehut. I've used my own servers on here before, and yeah, they're really reliable. There's an occasional time it might crash or two, but they definitely do not force you to like buy the extra package to get a better experience. Well, if you do buy an extra package, you do get unlimited plugins. However, if you stay on the free plan, you are limited to a total of 12 plugins, which isn't bad, to be fair, for a free package. But if you want to go that step up, I think it's €5 a month for 20 people on the server, an extra gigabyte of RAM, and unlimited plugins. So that's pretty cool. So if you guys did enjoy this video, if it did help you out, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what videos you want me to do next, and I'll be glad to help you guys. So just to run over this one more time, you make an account, you go into dashboard servers, you press create new server, you give it a name nobody else has used, so a unique name. You press activate, you wait 30 seconds, and then it starts. You copy this, paste it, join your server, and then you go into your console and you can make yourself operator and all that good stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.